Hello, today I have the stuff ready to do some tie-dye t-shirt. I have rubber bands. I have these three colors. This is blue. This is gold. And this is pink. Yes! I'm just going to read the instructions and I'll be back. Pinch fabric, twist into flat spiral. The rubber bands separate the colors. Now I'm doing mine. Pinch up, twist, 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 twist. I'm going to wrap that around. This is bullseye and that's twirl, and you have to keep these in line so then it doesn't, so the colours don't go to that. You fill it up to that line I think, and then shake it until it's dissolved. I'm just shaking it up. Make sure the lids are tight so it doesn't spill everywhere. Put down a flat canvas and throw it completely under the table and make a mess. We're doing Tashi's bullseye pattern. I'm going to give her yellow first. The middle will be yellow. I'm not putting it on any other side because we're going to do blue here and pink there. And we're going to put on lots of colours so the white is all gone. Be very, very careful not to mix the colours, because if you mix the colours, it could be not good and not be like a real tie-dye shirt. Livia's.
What colour do you mix what read? To make purple.
You can mix them together to make another colour. Now we're going to do pink. Okay, now I'm going to give it some purple spotty dots. Now we're just moving on to yellow with pink dots. This already has a bit of yellow on, so that's fine because we do need a
Yellow makes sense.
Okay, now we are done. Make green. How about we mix them together? Now you wait for a day and let them dry. The bucket to dry. All done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you think I should make next. We're going to let them dry for one day, then we'll show you tomorrow. Bye-bye. So Tashi's going to unwrap hers, then I'm going to unwrap mine. Right.
Show us the patterns that you made.
OMG! Look at it! That is amazing!
Oh, you like your one, Tashi? Well,
Amazing!
that one's called Bullseye.
I just fitted it on. What do you guys think? Is it cool?
So don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me what you think I should make next. Bye! I'm going to do this one. Twirl. Oh, and like that. And like that. say bye-bye. 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 Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, but now I have to leave you.